Children of God, there is an old Chinese proverb that says, "Talk does not cook rice." In other words, words alone cannot fill an empty stomach. You may speak about food all day long, but unless you start cooking, no one will eat. The proverb reminds us that true wisdom is not in talking or boasting, but in doing, in putting into action what we know is right. Many people have good ideas and good intentions, but only a few turn them into reality. Jesus, in referring to the people of his generation, says, "To what will I compare this generation? They are like children, sitting in the marketplaces and calling to one another. We played the flute for you, and you did not dance. We wailed, and you did not mourn." The people of his time complained about both John the Baptist and Jesus. They found fault with everyone. John was too strict. Jesus was too friendly. Yet Jesus concludes, wisdom is proved right by her deeds. In other words, actions, not opinions, reveal what is true and good. Many times, we too can fall into the trap of talking much about faith but doing little about it. We say we believe in love but hold grudges. We say we trust in God but worry endlessly. We say we follow Christ but choose convenience over compassion. Jesus teaches us that authentic faith must bear fruit, not in words, but in deeds of mercy, forgiveness, and service. In the end, it is not how much we say we love God that matters, but how much we show it. A simple act of kindness, an honest day's work, a sincere prayer, or a quiet sacrifice often speaks louder than any speech. Just as cooked rice satisfies more hunger than words about food, so also good works nourish souls more than empty talk. Children of God, let's remember today that wisdom is not found in how much we say, but in how faithfully we live. May our actions speak of our faith, and may our lives become a reflection of God's truth and love. For in the end, wisdom is indeed proved right by her deeds. This is Father Felmar SVD, your Good News caster, from Radio Veritas Asia, the voice of Asian Christianity.
Thank you for watching and listening. Stay inspired every day with our daily reflections. Be part of our growing online community of faith and inspiration. Don't miss a single reflection. Follow us on our social media platforms